guys, it is 7 o'clock here, and we just got up a little bit ago, and it's a winter wonderland up here. Probably got 8 inches of snow, and we're gonna go ice fishing today. Going to the bait shop right now to get some medium shiners for some tip ups, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, got some minnows, and we were gonna go pick up the girlfriend, and we were gonna head to the lake. I'm fishing the same lake I did in late November, so it was kind of slow then. Hopefully it's decent today. I'm gonna have 6 flags out because we got 2 people, so hopefully that helps. Stay tuned. See if it spins. It's spinning, it just spun.
Should I get it?
See it?
Big fish.
Yeah. Lift it up slowly and then I'll pull. Don't force them.
Oh, buddy. I think buddy got off.
Keep her tight. He may be still on. He's still on. Oh, it's a nice pike. Keep being soft. If he wants to take line, let him take line. No, it's not that big, but. Yeah. Don't do that. There's a fish on it.
How do you know?
I can see the line moving. Does it feel like there's one on it?
Yeah. Come on, buddy.
What is it? Maybe he's a nice fish. Nice bass. Really nice bass. Yeah, you're doing good. That's a really nice bass, babe. Get his head up here. Nice. That's a fat one. Nice work.
Thank you.
All right, I guess pick it up. 3rd one of the day. Feel decent?
Sure.
Looks decent. Didn't take out much line. What was it?
Bass?
Bass?
Maybe?
Yeah, I think you're right. Oh yeah, nice bass. Oh dang. Get him up here. Oh, same size as the last one. Nice work. Nice 17-inch bass. Alrighty guys, so we've been probably set up for an hour and a half now. It took us a while to get set up here. We were putting tip-ups in and we had a couple go off. We had 2 flakes go off while we were putting our 6 tip-ups in. And one was a small northern and one was a nice bass. And then we were sending the shanty up and we had another flag go off. And that was another nice bass. And then we just had our 4th flag of the day. Was just nothing on it. Minnow was gone, but it's beautiful out here. We just had snow 2 days ago. We got 7 to 8 inches up here in northern Wisconsin. It's beautiful out. Trees are just hanging, so we got probably another 2 hours of fishing and then we gotta head back in. So hopefully the action stays kind of steady. We get a couple more flags. This is the first flight ever full. And there's nothing on it.
Oh.
Tough luck.
She's spinning. I can use a nice commentary.
Yeah, it's spinning good. Fish is running, probably a northern. You can pick it up and it starts slowing down. You're gonna have to pull in a lot of line. Don't do that, just pick it up.
No, it's not.
Keep pulling. Tough luck.
Told you.
6th flag of the day. It was just spinning. Oh, I got off. He must have just had it in his... I felt him running with it.